Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on animals on your Rain app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on enable settings here, click on it. So then you come to this list and all you have to do, just go down here and you click here on neighborhood settings here. So then you click here on content settings and you just go down here, you come here to animals, click in this sign. And like you see, this color show for us this mean is on node. When you click here on apply filter here, it's going to add with us on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.